Akita Dog Breed Information. Chapter 1: History and Origin of Akita Dogs. The Akita dog is a breed that has captured the hearts of many dog lovers around the world. Known for their loyalty, courage, and intelligence, these dogs have a rich history that spans centuries. In this chapter, we will explore the origins of the Akita dog and how they have become an integral part of Japanese culture. The history of the Akita dog dates back to ancient Japan, where they were bred as hunting dogs. These dogs were highly valued by the aristocracy and were often given as gifts to important people as a sign of respect. However, during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, Akitas were used in dogfighting, which led to changes in how they were bred. During World War II, there was a decline in the number of Akitas due to food shortages and government orders to kill all non-military dogs. However, post-war efforts by dedicated breeders helped revive the breed with strict breeding standards. Today's Akita is considered one of Japan's national treasures and are recognized worldwide for their beauty and temperament. They are also popularly known for being loyal pets with strong guarding instincts. The evolution of breeding practices has resulted in two distinct types: American Akitas and Japanese Akitas. The American strain tends to be larger with a broader head, while Japanese strains tend to be smaller with more fox-like features. Japanese culture has also played an important role in shaping how Akitas are viewed today. They have been portrayed in literature such as Hachiko, a famous story about an Akita who waited at a train station for his owner every day until he passed away, as well as being used in various ceremonies such as weddings or funerals. In conclusion, understanding where your pet comes from is essential when it comes to caring for them properly. The history and origin of Akita dogs provide a fascinating insight into this breed's evolution and their place in Japanese culture. As you continue reading this book, you will learn more about how to care for your Akita and what makes them such a special breed. Chapter 2: Characteristics and Temperament of Akita Dogs. As a breed, Akita dogs are known for their loyalty, courage, and distinct physical characteristics. These dogs were originally bred for hunting and guarding in Japan, but over time they have become beloved pets all around the world. In this chapter, we will delve into the unique characteristics and temperament of Akita dogs that make them such popular pets. One of the most striking features of an Akita dog is their large size and muscular build. They typically weigh between 70 to 130 pounds and can stand up to 2 feet tall at the shoulder. Their thick double coat comes in a variety of colors, including white, brindle, fawn, red, or sesame. Despite their imposing appearance, Akitas are known for being affectionate with their families. They have a strong bond with their owners and are fiercely protective when it comes to those they love. This makes them excellent guard dogs as well as loyal companions. However, it is important to note that Akitas can be aggressive towards other animals or strangers if not properly socialized from an early age. This is due to their natural protective instincts as well as a tendency towards dominance if not properly trained. Akitas also have a reputation for being independent thinkers, which can make training them challenging at times. It's important to establish yourself as the pack leader from an early age to ensure your dog respects your authority. Positive reinforcement techniques tend to work best with this breed as they respond well to praise and rewards. When it comes to exercise requirements, Akitas need daily physical activity but are not overly demanding in this regard. A brisk walk or play session in the backyard should suffice for most individuals, although some may enjoy more vigorous activities like hiking or swimming. Overall, Owning an Akita dog requires patience and dedication but can be incredibly rewarding for those willing to put in the effort. If you're looking for a loyal and affectionate companion with a fierce loyalty to their family, an Akita may be the perfect fit for you. In conclusion, Akitas are a unique breed with distinct physical and personality traits. They are affectionate, loyal, and protective, which makes them great pets for certain types of families or individuals. However, they require proper socialization and training to ensure their natural instincts don't become problematic. By understanding their unique characteristics and temperament, you can provide your Akita with the love and care they need to thrive as your faithful companion. Chapter 3: Training your Akita dog. Training an Akita dog can be a challenging task, as they are known for their stubbornness and independence. However, with the right approach and techniques, you can train your Akita to be a well-behaved and obedient companion. The first step in training your Akita is to establish yourself as the pack leader. Akitas are naturally dominant dogs, so it's important that you establish yourself as the leader from the outset. This means being firm but fair in your interactions with your dog. You should set clear boundaries and rules for your dog and enforce them consistently. One effective training technique for Akitas is positive reinforcement. This involves rewarding good behavior with treats or praise rather than punishing bad behavior. Akitas respond well to positive reinforcement because they are highly intelligent dogs who enjoy learning new things. Another important aspect of training your Akita is socialization. Akitas can be wary of strangers and other animals if they have not been socialized properly. It's important to expose your dog to a variety of people, places, and situations from an early age so that they become comfortable in different environments. When it comes to obedience training, consistency is key. You should use the same commands every time you train your dog, and be patient when teaching new behaviors or commands. It may take some time for your Akita to learn new things, but with patience and persistence, they will eventually get there. One common problem that many Akita owners encounter is leash pulling. Akitas are strong dogs who love to explore their surroundings, which can make leash walking difficult at times. However, there are several techniques you can use to teach your Akita how to walk on a leash without pulling. One effective technique is called stop-start walking. This involves stopping every time your dog pulls on the leash until they calm down before continuing on. In addition to basic obedience training, many Akita owners choose to train their dogs for specific activities such as agility or obedience competitions. These activities can be a great way to bond with your dog and provide them with mental and physical stimulation. In conclusion, training your Akita requires patience, consistency, and a firm but fair approach. By establishing yourself as the leader, using positive reinforcement techniques, and being consistent in your training methods, you can help your Akita become a well-behaved and obedient companion. With proper training and socialization, Akitas can make wonderful pets for the right type of family or individual. Chapter 4: Feeding your Akita dog. Feeding an Akita dog is not as simple as filling up their bowl with kibble. Proper nutrition is key to keeping your furry friend healthy and happy. Akitas are susceptible to obesity, so it's crucial to feed them a well-balanced, high-quality diet in appropriate portions. Firstly, it's important to choose the right type of food for your Akita. Feeding your dog a diet that is high in protein and low in carbohydrates can help build strong muscles while preventing weight gain. Look for dog food that lists meat as its first ingredient and avoid foods containing fillers such as corn or wheat. It's also essential to monitor your Akita's calorie intake. Akitas have a slower metabolism than other breeds, meaning they require fewer calories per day. Overfeeding your dog can lead to significant health problems such as joint pain, diabetes, and heart disease. To determine how much food your Akita needs each day, consider their age, weight, activity level, and overall health condition. Typically, an adult Akita needs around 2 to 3 cups of dry kibble per day split into 2 meals. In addition to choosing the right type of food and monitoring portion sizes, it's important to regulate treats given to Akitas carefully. Treats should be given sparingly and used primarily for training purposes or rewards. One crucial factor that many owners overlook when feeding their dogs is water consumption. Akitas require plenty of fresh water throughout the day and especially after meals when they may become dehydrated quickly. Overall, maintaining proper nutrition for an Akita takes time and effort but pays off with a healthy pet who will live longer, without costly vet bills down the road. In conclusion, feeding an Akita requires careful consideration regarding what you feed them as well as how much you give them each day. By providing high-quality food in appropriate portions, monitoring calorie intake, and regulating treat consumption, you can keep your Akita healthy and happy for years to come. Remember that proper hydration is also crucial for ensuring optimal health. With a little effort and attention to detail, feeding your Akita can be both rewarding and beneficial for both you and your furry friend. Chapter 5: Health Concerns for Akita Dogs. As a responsible dog owner, it is important to be aware of the health concerns that your pet may encounter throughout their lifetime. Like any breed, Akitas have certain health problems that owners should be aware of in order to keep their furry friends healthy and happy. One common issue that Akitas face is hip dysplasia. This is a condition where the hip joint doesn't develop properly, which can lead to pain and stiffness in the hips. Some dogs may even become lame as a result of this condition. Hip dysplasia can be genetic or caused by environmental factors such as overfeeding or overexertion at a young age. Another potential health problem for Akitas is thyroid disease. This occurs when the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones, which can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and other symptoms. Thyroid disease can often be managed with medication or dietary changes, but it's important to catch it early in order to prevent more serious complications. Akitas are also prone to allergies and skin issues. It's not uncommon for these dogs to develop hot spots, areas of irritated skin, or other allergic reactions such as itching and redness. These conditions can often be treated with medication or changes in diet. In addition to these common health concerns, there are some more serious conditions that owners should watch out for in their Akitas. One of these is gastric torsion, also known as bloat. This occurs when a dog's stomach twists on itself and fills with gas, which can cut off blood flow to vital organs and cause shock or even death if left untreated. Another concern for Akita owners is autoimmune diseases such as lupus or autoimmune hemolytic anemia, AIHA. These conditions occur when the immune system attacks healthy cells in the body, which can lead to organ damage and other serious complications. While it can be scary to think about the potential health problems that your Akita may face, it's important to remember that many of these conditions can be managed with proper care and attention. Regular checkups with a veterinarian, a healthy diet, and plenty of exercise can all help keep your furry friend in good health. In conclusion, as an Akita owner, it is essential to be aware of the potential health problems that your pet may encounter throughout their life. By staying informed and taking preventative measures when possible, you can help ensure that your dog stays healthy and happy for years to come. Chapter 6: Owning an Akita Dog, Responsibilities and Rewards. Owning an Akita dog is both a responsibility and a reward. As a potential owner, it is important to understand the commitment required to care for this breed properly. In this chapter, we will explore the responsibilities that come with owning an Akita dog, as well as the many rewards that make it all worth it. Firstly, let's talk about the responsibilities of owning an Akita dog. This breed requires daily exercise and mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. Akitas are not couch potatoes. They need regular walks, runs, or playtime in a secure yard to burn off their abundant energy. They are also intelligent dogs that require mental stimulation through training or interactive toys. Another aspect of responsible ownership is providing proper medical care for your Akita dog. Regular veterinary checkups are essential to catch any health concerns early on. As previously discussed in Chapter 5, Akitas have certain health concerns that owners should be aware of, such as hip dysplasia, eye problems, and autoimmune diseases. Training is also crucial when it comes to owning an Akita dog due to their stubborn nature. Training classes can be beneficial for both puppies and adult dogs alike. Classes can help them learn basic commands such as sit or stay while also socializing them with other dogs. Lastly, responsible ownership includes providing adequate nutrition for your Akita dog. Obesity is a common concern with Akitas, so feeding them appropriately sized portions of high-quality food is important, along with regular exercise. Despite these responsibilities, owning an Akita dog can be incredibly rewarding. Akitas are known for being loyal companions who form strong bonds with their owners and families. They have a reputation for being great protectors, which makes them suitable pets for families looking for additional security measures in their homes. Akitas may appear stoic at first glance, but they can be affectionate dogs with their owners. They are known to be playful, and their high energy levels make them ideal for active families who enjoy spending time outdoors. Their intelligence also makes them great problem solvers, and they can learn tricks or tasks quickly. In conclusion, owning an Akita dog requires a significant amount of responsibility, but it is well worth the effort. Providing proper care, training, and nutrition can lead to a rewarding companionship with this breed. Akitas are loyal, affectionate, and protective dogs that can bring joy to any household willing to put in the time and effort required for their well-being.